Yes, good morning children. Welcome to the English class. So yesterday we discussed the chapter number 6, the adjective and its kinds. So today we will discuss the attribute and predicative adjective. So where we use as attributive or where we use as predicative adjective. So now adjectives can be used both attributive and predicatively. जो adjective होते हैं वो bothly use करते हैं as a attributive and predicatively. So first of all you notice that what is attributive and what is a predicatively. So adjective in the first position before the noun are called attributive adjective. Those in the second position after the noun are called predicative adjective. Notice that the predicative adjective do not occur immediately after the noun. Instead, they followed a verb. So I'm explaining them in the attributive use. So first number example is here. This is an interesting story. In this second predicative use, this story is interesting. So you notice that in the attributive use, the first position, okay, it is used in the before the noun. Here, what is a noun? Noun in this example as a story is a noun. Are called it is an attributive adjective. So now in the those in the second position, those in the second position after the noun. So here a noun is here story. So we use interesting as हमने interesting कहाँ use किया after the noun use किया. So it is a predicative adjective. So notice that predicative adjective do not occur immediately after the noun. After generally after बिल्कुल noun के बाद में use नहीं आते. Instead they follow a verb. Here we use as a is as a verb. ये किसको follow करते हैं? इसको एज ए वर्ब को फॉलो करते हैं. सो इट इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन एट्रीब्यूटिव एंड प्रेडिकेटिव एडजेक्टिव. सो अनदर एग्जांपल इज हियर. These are ripe mangoes. Here you notice that as a noun mangoes and before the noun we use as a ripe. It is an attributive. And the next sentence, these mangoes are ripe. So here you notice that the ripe are followed the as a verb. Okay, and here as a noun as a mango. So here it is a predicative adjective. So, student, I hope you have understood. So, another example is here. These are sure grapes. In the second position, these grapes are sure. Okay. Number 4, these are brave soldiers, and these soldiers are brave. So, you notice that as a brave in the sentence here in the first position as attributive, we use brave before the noun. In the second, as a predicative use, we use as a brave after the verb. So, okay, student, I hope you have understood. In the next sentence, Sagar is an intelligent boy. Here in the predicative use, Sagar is intelligent. So here you notice that intelligent we use before the हम क्या use कर रहे हैं before the noun है here as a boy. In the predicative use, Sagar is intelligent. तो here intelligent as a follow a verb. ये verb के बाद में आता है. So student, I hope you have understood all these 5 examples. Okay, so let's start the exercise number 1. Pick out the adjectives in the following sentences, underline them, and write what kind of adjective each one is. So, one has been done for you. Number 1, there are 25 boys in this class. So, here it is the adjective of number. It is adjective number. Why? Because here it show as a 25. Number 2, here as a neither party has done the right thing. So, yes, student, underline the neither and underline the right. Okay, so first neither here as we use as a distributive adjective and right here as a quality of the adjective. Okay, student. Number 3 is here. There is little hope for her recovery. So here little, underline the student little and her. बहुत अपने हाथ को क्या आएगा अंडरलाइन करना है and little is as a quantity. Okay, and her is here as a possessive adjective. Okay, student. So number 4 is here. He made several mistakes. So here you notice that underline the several. Several is here adjective of number. Here we talk about the several mistakes. So it is a adjective of number. Number 5, I do not like those foolish people. Here underline those and foolish. दोनों पे आपको क्या करना है? Underline करना है. Yes, foolish people. Yes, those is a demonstrative adjective and foolish is a quality of adjective. Okay. Number 6, few men came to see the match. Here underline the few. Okay, student. So it is the adjective of number. Number 7, the thirsty crow drank the cold water. Okay, student, underline the thirsty and the cold. Underline करना है works पे. Now, it is a adjective of quality. Okay. Number 8, the rich man gave the poor beggar 10 rupees. Underline the rich and underline the poor and 10. तीनों पे underline करना है, rich, poor and 10. Here you notice that rich and poor, it is a quality. Okay, adjective of quality, and 10 here is a adjective of number. 10 क्या है? As a number. Number 9, those women belongs to a small village. Here those as a underline the those and small underline the small. So here those is we use as a demonstrative adjective and small as a quality. So it shows the quality of a village. Number 10, the blind beggar had a little small as a quality. Number 10, the blind beggar had a little money. Okay, students. So here we underline the blind and underline the little. Okay. So here blind as a adjective of quality. Okay. And little here is an adjective of quantity. Okay. Number 11, what kind of a man is he? So kind is here as an adjective of quality. Okay. It is an adjective of quality. Number 11. Okay. Number 12, which book contains beautiful picture? Yes, which, underline the which and underline the beautiful. So here which is an interrogative and beautiful here is a quality. Okay, it is an adjective of quality. Number 13, a bad workman blames his tool. So here underline the bad and underline his. Okay. Now it is a bad here, it is a adjective of quality, and his here is an adjective of as a possessive adjective. Okay, student, and it is a possessive adjective. Okay, student, I hope you have understood. So let's move on the next page. Number 14, Japanese goods are cheaper than English goods. Here underline the Japanese and cheaper and English. Okay students, yes, Japanese and English is a proper adjective. जो Japanese और English है वो क्या है? As a proper adjective. और cheaper has, it is the adjective of quality. Okay, number 15, every man has his duty. So here underline the every and his. Okay, every is here as a distributive adjective and his here is a possessive adjective. And his as a possessive adjective. Number 16, the old man put on a black coat. So here underline the old and black. Okay, so here old and black are the adjective of quality. Number 17, the young man climbed a tall tree. Here we use as a underline the young and tall. Okay, it is a adjective of quality. Now number 18, what book are you reading? Yes, underline the what as it is an interrogative adjective. Number 19, such men are dangerous. So here you notice that such, underline the such and dangerous. So here first is here such as a demonstrative. We use as a demonstrative, we use as a distributive adjective. Now student, here such as a demonstrative adjective or dangerous as a quality. Okay. Number 20, which way shall we go? Here you notice underline the which, so it is a interrogative adjective. Okay. Let's start the exercise number 2. Yes, student. Underline the correct adjectives from the one given in the brackets and circle the noun. Okay, they describe. हमको circle करना है noun पे और underline किस पे करना है adjective से. Okay, first is here. These mangoes have a dash delicious flavor. Okay, so in the second sentence, a lion is a circle the lion. Okay, student. Lion is a fierce. Yes, first one is here fierce. Underline the fierce. Number third is here as he fell, the child gave a. Yes, student. Here underline, sorry, circle the child, and it is a yes, underline the shrill. Shrill means क्या होता है? Fast cry. Okay, student. Here now, in the fourth number sentence, in hot weather, I like to wear a thing. So here we underline the long and circle the frock. Okay, so I like to wear a long frock. Number fifth, the trees were down by a dash. Say here we underline the rough and circle the wind. Number six, good dash, good meat should be dash. The underline the fresh and circle the meat. Number seven, the smell of onion is dash. Says the smell, circle the smell and underline the strong. The smell of onion is strong. Yes, number eight is here. In winter, our bed clothes should be dash. So here students, circle the bed clothes, okay, and underline the warm. विंटर में क्या होने चाहिए? हमारे जो बेड की जो क्लोथ्स है वो क्या होने चाहिए? गर्म होने चाहिए. Okay, student. I hope you have understood the exercise number 3. So let's start the exercise number 3. Now, student, what qualities are associated with these animals? Okay, complete the phrase by selecting the right words from the bubbles. Either here आपको दे रखे हैं bubbles दे रखे हैं, हमको जो quality उसे हमको associate होती है, हमको उसमें क्या करना है? Fill करना है. Okay. Number 1 is here the dash s, the stupid ash. Okay. Number second, the dash B, here we use as a busy, B-U-S-Y. Number third, dash the slave fox, S-L-Y. Another means of slave is a cunning fox, okay? Number fourth is here the dash bat, so blind, B-L-I-N, blind bat. Number fifth is here the dash bull, angry bull. Number six, we use as a the timid lamb. So आपको पता ही है ना लैम्प कैसा होता है? Timid, डरपोक. Number 7 is the dash snake, the slimy, S-L-I-M-Y. Number 8 is here the dash wolf, here the hungry wolf. Number 9, the dash lion, brave lion. So number 10, the gland horse. So number 11, the faithful dog. Number 12, the proud peacock. Number 13, the stubborn mule. Number 14, the wise owl. And number 15, the strong ox. Okay, students, have you understood the exercise number 3rd? Now move on the next page. Exercise number 4. Look at the pair of pictures given below. Choose opposite adjectives from the box and a noun to complete the sentence given under each pair of the picture. One is done for you. Okay, student? Here given a help box. Okay, students, and help box is given here as an adjective and noun is given as a in the help box. So here, students, so in this exercise, we do not use as a opposite as an adjective. So we use as an adjective for your easiness. Okay, first one is done for you. A black cat is sitting under a tree. So in the next sentence, my dash are lying near the bed. My white shoes. Now, number second, my mother is a dash singer. My mother is a classical singer. Next, Rajan is a dash. Rajan is a pop star. Number third, my neighbor has an old Mercedes. Next is here, wow, look at that black car. Number fourth, I live in this big building. My neighbor lives in a small house. Okay, student number 4, I live in this big building. Next is here, my neighbor lives in a small house. Number fifth is here, my father is reading an interesting book. Number next is here, the lecture was so dull. Okay. Number six is here, oh look at these beautiful fresh flowers. Next is here, throw this stale bread. Number seventh is here, this is a very beautiful painting. Okay, student. Next is here, oh, what a horrible animal. Number eight is here, draw a curved line on the board, a nail. So now, next is here, the bus will take the straight route. I hope, student, you have to understood the opposite, the difference between the adjectives, and we have completed the exercise number 4. I hope you have to understood the exercise number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, thank you, student.